Okay, so we will start with these two colors. And these yarns are of 4-ply. And we will be using a 4mm hook to make our project today. With that, we will be using a cutter to cut extra yarn, and we will be using a stitch marker. So we will start with making a magic circle with the help of this orange yarn. And as we are going to make a daisy pouch today, we'll use the colors orange and white. So start by making a magic circle and a chain 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we'll pull the yarn and secure the magic circle by doing a slip stitch in this loop. So the hook is a bit tight. I need to loosen it a bit and hit it. So you have to make sure that the loops are not very tight because then it creates problems like this. Fixing it out. Okay, so here we go. We're going to make a slip stitch here, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to make single crochet in each of these loops. So 1 single crochet, we are going to mark it with a stitch marker, right? And in the same loop, we are going to single crochet again. And single crochet again in the same hook. This is the 3rd loop, 4th, again. We are doing it in the 5th one now. 2 single crochet in the 5th loop, and then in this last one, we are going to make 2 single crochet. Yeah, so we are going to make 1 single crochet in the loop, put our stitch marker like this. And then we're going to open the stitch marker and we're going to slip stitch in the same loop like this. And we have 1 more layer to our magic circle. We are going to chain 1 now and chain double crochet and yarn over. We're going to make double crochet in each of these loops. So yarn over, pull it through the 1st loop, then once, and then twice. So we have to do 1 double crochet in each loop like this. Keep moving on. 1 in each. 1 double crochet in each loop throughout the end. Throughout the circle, we will be doing double crochet like this. You see, we are done.
We're going to stretch it a bit because it's a bit tight sometimes, so we'll make sure that the stitches are a bit looser. And we are towards the end. So tighten it, and we are then going to double crochet in the 1st chain of the 1st double crochet. We can also just slip stitch it like this. So we are done with our circle. We're going to chain 1 and we'll cut this off. So this is going to be the base of our daisy. Alright, so this is, tighten it up, and this is the base of our daisy. Just pull it through, tighten it, yeah. Now we move to this. Now we will walk around it with the white yarn. Let me tell you how. So let's take our white yarn, and we do not need a stitch marker now. We are going to make double crochet throughout it, but first we need to make a slip knot. So take this, like this, hold it, and then pull it, making a slip knot.
So take this, like this, hold it, and then pull it, making a slip knot, like this. Tighten it as per your requirement.
insert the hook, tighten it more, and then take the middle part. So we'll pass it through our base of daisy. You can insert your hook anywhere in this. Okay, so now we are going to take this end and we are going to pass it through like this. We are going to chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and chain 4. We are going to make 4 chains, and then we'll double crochet and put our hook in the same loop. We'll pass it through, and we'll not pass this one right now. We'll do double crochet again. Put our hook and pass it through the same loop. Then pull it through the loop once, and then pull it all together, like this. Then 1, 2, 3. We'll make 3 chains right here. And the part where we made it double crochet, we are going to insert our hook in the same loop, and we are going to slip stitch it. Just tighten it, and do the same again in every loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 chains, yarn over, in the same hook we make double crochet. Not completely. You make the second double crochet, and this is first time. And then we are going to pass it through together. And 1, 2, 3. Through the same loop. We pass it, we are going to slip stitch this. Tighten it, so we have got a second petal. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our third petal.
Just here, gonna complete it here. All right, so we have reached towards the end. And now, we are going to make slip stitch in this final loop, and we just joined it with the first petal, as you saw. And we are going to make a chain so that we can finish this off. Okay, so we have made a chain, and then we are going to, okay, so we are not gonna cut it. We are just gonna continue. So just turn our project like this. And we'll start by making single crochet around the petal. So this we are making to join 2 parts of the daisy flowers so that we can build the pouch inside that pouch, inside the daisy flower. We're going to, in each loop, you are going to make 1 single crochet. Yes. Okay, so when you want to join 2 petals together, we are going to take the last part of one petal and the first part of the next petal, like this. Going to pass the yarn and make a single crochet here. And then, in the same manner, do it again throughout the flower. You have a nice seam in the end of single crochet. And this will help us to join 2 daisies together to form a pouch. So as you can see, we are getting this line of single crochet. And we are going to get it till the very end. Okay, so we have joined it till the very end. And now we are going to, we've just done our last single crochet. We are going to chain 1 here. Okay? And we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 39, 40. We are going to make 40 chains, and we'll connect it here. And we are doing this so that we can get the handle of our pouch. I'll show you how in the end. We joined it here, just slip stitch, and for extra security, insert again, slip stitch again, and just chain 1. Now we can cut the yarn. So we have a handle. And in the same way, make one more. Make sure you have 2 daisy parts, daisy flower parts. You are going to join them. We have left this part too because we'll be making a small loop here so that we can insert it through the small loop. Okay, so the next part is to join 2 daisies together. Okay, so let's make a loop first. I'll tell you how we can make a loop. We're going to insert this part and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Then single crochet in each chain. So we will not be doing single crochet here, we'll just slip stitch it in the same way we did with the longer part in the other daisy. And we're going to make 1 chain here, pull it again, slip stitch for extra security, just chain 1 here and pull it out. So got the small loop here, and we have this long loop here, and we have small loop here. So this is going to work like this. You can pass it, and cut the extra part in the end, this extra threads. Just pass it like this. This is it. So that's how you can close your daisy pouch. Okay, for now, we will work on joining these 2 together. So I'll tell you how we can join it. Just place stitch marker here, 1, 2, just leave 2.5 petal distance on each side, like this. And same to 1, 2, and here. 1, 2.5. That's it. Just so we know that we do not have to stitch in this part. And we are going to stitch this whole thing. Okay, let's start. Start by making a slip knot. And leaving this part, we'll just insert our hook in the loop where we made our single crochet and just tighten it a bit, pass it through. Okay, so we've passed it through and we'll continue to make single crochet in each of these throughout the end, just before our stitch markers. It's going to be a bit difficult, but be patient. I think the yarn has stuck. My yarn is stuck. See? So it will be better if we can just pass it through the first hook first, and then we can pass it through the next hook second time. So take it one by one, and this way you'll be able to make a single crochet. So do it like this throughout. See, we are getting this, and this is what we want to get till the very end. Okay, so we have done it throughout, and we are doing the last stitch now before our stitch marker. This is done. We are going to just tighten it and pass the yarn straight through this. For extra security, we are going to make a slip stitch here, and then we're going to pass it down. Cut the yarn, just remove the stitch markers, and we have our pouch ready.
So this is a daisy pouch. You can keep anything in here, like your AirPods or your cosmetics, anything. And because we are making a bottle holder too, I'll now start with making a bottle holder. So we're gonna flip it and just cut the extra yarn wherever you see extra yarn. Just take it in and cut it. Let's cut the extra parts. This will save us from the confusion. It's clear. We do not have any extra yarn left now. It is clean. Looks very clean. And now we'll start working to make the pouch inside our pouch. So this is going to be a 2-in-1 pouch where you can put your bottle too, and you can use it as a bag charm too.